Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing both your phone and computer. Enable developer options and turn on USB debugging so the PC can talk to the device. Install and open ADB on your computer, then connect the phone with a USB cable. You need to confirm the connection using ADB devices. Once done and you see your device, run ADB TCPIP 5555 to tell Android to listen for network connections on port 5555. This is the key step that transitions control from USB to Wi-Fi. Next, you find the phone's local IP address so the PC can reach it. Look in Settings under About or use a DB shell IP route while still connected. Make sure your computer and phone are on the same Wi-Fi. Once you have the IP, disconnect the USB cable and run a DB Connect 192.168 x 5555, replace with your IP. You may see an authorization prompt on the phone, tap to allow. Once connected, ADB devices should list the device with the Wi-Fi address. Finally, verify the wireless link by running ADB devices and confirming the IP 5555 entry. If you need to revert to USB, plug the cable back in and run ADB USB or disable network listening by toggling the TCPIP setting. Make sure to secure the device. Disable USB debugging or TCP listening when finished to avoid unauthorized access. If something goes wrong, check that both devices are on the same network. Ensure the firewall permits port 5555 and retry the ADB Connect command after confirming the phone's IP.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.